In this world, your rank decides how you live, how you eat, and how long you survive. One mistake can end everything. This is what it's like to climb the ranks of the Mexican cartels. Cartels are highly organized systems built on strict hierarchy, discipline, and control. Every level comes with power, risk, and responsibility. The higher you rise, the more dangerous life becomes. Level 1. The lookout. This is the bottom. Your job is to observe and report. You stand on street corners, rooftops, and alleys, watching for police, rivals, or strangers. You carry a phone or radio and stay alert at all times. The pay is low, the pressure is high. One missed signal and you're replaced instantly. Level 2. The runner. Now you move packages and messages. You deliver instructions, transport goods, and connect people who never meet directly. You learn routes, shortcuts, and safe zones. Life becomes constant movement. You're always traveling and always being watched. Level 3. The enforcer. Now discipline is your role. You make sure rules are followed and orders are respected. Fear becomes a tool. You learn control, pressure, and authority. You're known in the streets, which gives you power, but also makes you a target. Level 4. The operator. This is where strategy begins. You coordinate logistics, manage transportation routes, and supervise teams. You plan operations and solve problems. Mistakes cost money. Success earns trust. At this level, intelligence matters more than force. Level 5. The lieutenant. Now you manage territory. Multiple crews report to you. You balance loyalty, profit, and discipline. Every decision affects hundreds of people. You're close to real power, but constant pressure follows you from rivals, authorities, and even your own side. Level 6. The boss. You control entire regions. Money flows through your hands. Orders start and end with you. Your role is leadership, alliances, and conflict management. Survival depends on strategy, not strength. One wrong alliance can collapse everything. Level 7. The kingpin. Now you operate on a national and international scale. You don't manage daily tasks. You control systems, finance, logistics, influence, and negotiations. You live behind layers of security. Power is immense, but freedom disappears completely. Level 8. The fall. No empire lasts forever. Pressure increases. Enemies multiply. Attention grows. Every move becomes risky. In this world, there is no retirement. Only survival, until the end arrives. From the street lookout to the kingpin, every rank trades safety for power. And in the cartel world, the higher you rise, the more dangerous life becomes.